Hello, I wanted to give you guys an update on my Pistogramma cockatoides fries that I have in this breeder box right here, attached to my main aquarium. I just want to show you how they look. They are getting a little bit larger. They're still small, of course, but they are getting larger than what they were. I do like to look at a few of them. I like the size that they're getting. Eventually I will be moving them as well, but let me go ahead and give you a quick look at these. So let's go take a look. So here's a look into the little breeder box where I have the Pistogramma fry. I did put some blackworms in there so you can see some of the activity that they have. As you can see, they're kind of munching down on the fry, the blackworms. So anyways, as you can see, there's 3 of them in there. I have 1 on the side right there, and kind of 2 in the middle. I do kind of like the 1 on the left. I'm probably going to keep that one. The other 2 I'm probably going to end up selling. But there is the fries and how they look so far. So basically I just want to give you a look at how they look. So I'm going to keep it focused on there so you can watch them eat the worms. One definitely has 1 worm and it's pretty much eating it, and it looks like the other one found another one. So that is the Pistogramma fry that I have in this little breeder box. When they do get a little bit larger, I will be throwing them into a 10-gallon grow out that I have in the boys' room next to their tank. But that's basically what they look like right now. So let me go ahead and go for a little walk right here, and I will show you the grow out tank that I do have in the boys' room. Of course, there is their tank right there, and there is Bumblebee right there, kind of watching over her new batch of fry. Let me see if I can see any here. Oh, you can see them swimming around. That is her new batch of fries that she has. You can see a few in there. And if I pan a little bit over here to the right, you will see this new 10-gallon I have that I'm preparing. This eventually will be housing the Pistogramma fry once they get large enough where they're too large for that little breeder box on the side of my main aquarium. Of course, there is Optimus Prime, and there is Amy Rose. Eventually they'll probably start breeding again as well on Amy Rose's side. I haven't had any success with Amy Rose's fry yet. The fry that are in the breeder box right now are the ones from Bumblebee right there. Well, she kind of ran away, but Bumblebee right in the corner right there, and Optimus Prime. So there you have it. And hopefully I can grow them out a little bit larger. Like I said, I'm probably going to keep 1 of them. The other 2 I'm probably going to find a new home for. I'm probably going to sell them to someone. Now keep in mind, I'm not doing this for profit. I'm just doing this for just a little bit of fun. So hopefully I can at least find some good homes for them. If you're in the Southern California area around Orange County, I will give me a line and maybe I'll sell them to someone on YouTube or one of you guys. Just leave a comment if you're interested. They're not quite ready yet, but when the time comes, if I still have them available, I'll consider you guys first. So that is going to be that for that video. I just kind of wanted to give you the update, like I said. And as always, have a good day, night, or whenever you're watching this. Thank you.